Something new today while I'm down here in Miami from Uber Eats. This is called the Burr Bowl, B-U-R-B-O-W-L. I'm assuming it's like a burrito bowl without the burrito, but there wasn't much of a description. I know one of the things that was described was a double chocolate milkshake, and that doesn't look like double chocolate. A milkshake aside, holy gosh, would you look at that guacamole, sauce, ketchup, French fry, beef concoction. Why it's called a Burr Bowl, I have no idea, because it's nothing like a burrito. It is just, I don't know what it is. It's a burrito on top of French fries. And wow, it's good. So if you guys are down here in South Florida and you pull up your Uber Eats and you see this place, Burr Bowl, burgers and bowls, hey, give them a shot. I'm surprised it doesn't look that good, but wow, it is tasty. Anyway, on with the video. Hey, if you can tell, I am back in Cousin Eddie, and if you look behind me, I don't know, look up on the dash over there. See her? She's right there. She's there. She's just chilling like a villain. I don't know if people say that for any particular reason other than, well, it rhymes. So I am home for a whole week. Well, for about 9 days, actually, a little bit longer than a week. I'm getting ready to go on a cool trip. I'm going to take you guys along with me, but before I did that, I had to bring if you could see, look, you guys can't see. It's a mess in here. Cousin Eddie is a mess. I have not cleaned my truck in 7 years. I have lived in it for 7 years, never did a full clean job, never emptied it out like it was brand new, took everything out of it, and then vacuum swept and all the little nooks and crannies and did everything. This was the first time every time I come home, I empty stuff out and put it in the RV, and then when it's time to go back to work, I put it back in, but I never 100% do it, and today was that day. And it's a perfect Florida day for it. It's like 78 degrees, a little breeze, no humidity. It's great. But after I was done, I went to the mailbox, and wouldn't you know it, oh, this one's heavy. Not only one box from one of you guys, a second box. I got 2 boxes to unbox today. I wasn't going to make a video, but I figured since I'm not going to be putting anything out for a couple days because I'm hopping on an airplane and going somewhere, might as well do a quick unboxing video. So let's get to the first one, shall we? Okay, the first box, it does not say who it's from, but I am expecting a package from Manscaped. Oh, it does. It says Manscaped on it. So this is from Manscaped. I did send them an email and a message. Please, I got too much stuff. If you're considering sending me like ball deodorant or any of that other stuff, I got more than enough. I got enough ball deodorant where my balls are going to smell great years after I'm gone, as if somebody decides to open my casket and put some on me. That doesn't sound right. Anyway, let's zip into this, because it should not be, because I did honestly send them a message. Hey, yeah, I have a little bit too much, and these scissors did not cut through this amount. Oh, there it goes. Popped a hole in it that time. Hopefully it wasn't nothing liquidy. All right, so, ooh, what is this? What? Ooh. Put that over there. Look at this, guys. What is this? A weed whacker. They sent me this is a weed whacker electronic nose and nose and ear hair trimmer. Would you look at that? How nice is that? Well, it may not be nice. I haven't. You know what would be funny is if they send me this box and I open it up and all that's inside is ball deodorant. That would be hilarious. Okay, has one of these little stickers on it that you have to peel to get to that. Okay, so I'll let you guys tell me. Is there ball deodorant in here? Ready? Ooh. Nice. It is. Ooh, wow. I never used one of these. Unfortunately, my father, when I was like 5 or 6 years old, he taught me how to shave fake, because I was like 5 years old. But growing up, he really never taught me how to shave. That's why I'm a mess. But he also never said, hey, when you get older, expect your body to change a little bit. You're going to get hair in your ears and in your nose. But I don't think back when I was like 5 years old, 1970, I would be 5 years old in 1970. I don't think things like this were invented. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. But, wow, it's sturdy and nice. Does it? Ooh, it has a nice little light, charging base. It looks very intimidating. I don't know if you want to shove that up your nose or in your ear hole. Wow. That, I'm going to have to see some YouTube videos on this first before I start shoving it in places where it may not, it could do damage. Let's see what else is in the box, because there has to be a charger or something. Ooh. Oh, so there is instructions. It probably says do not shove too far down your ear hole. So I'll read those. Comes with a nice little bag, a carrying pouch. Look, it all fits nice in there. You could take it out. And I'm assuming charging cable and charging brick. All from Manscaped. So not only can you keep your family jewels fresh, mowed, and smelling delightful, you can, I might, if I use this, I might be able to smell my family jewels more delightfully with no nose hair. And I don't know. Well, we'll see. Anyway, let's put this away and dig into the other box, shall we? Now, this second box here is in an Amazon box, but I don't think it's from Amazon because it does say U.S. Postal Service on it. But yeah, I guess Amazon does ship stuff that way. But ooh, there is a name here. We got information here. So this comes from Reverend Tommy Two-Tone. Wow. To Rick Sayer, 8576 County Road 229, Wildwood, Florida. Heck yeah, Reverend Tommy. This is heavy. Tommy, what? Actually, I kind of know what you sent because you told me you were sending me something. Oh. Hopefully there's a letter in here explaining. I'm sorry about the camera shake. Oh, wow. You wanted to make sure that the U.S. Postal Service did not get into this. Okay, so here we look at. My God. What? Oh, what? You sent me. Let's see what store these are from, because these aren't Walmart bags. What store is this? Oh, no, they're Walmart bags. I haven't stepped foot inside of a Walmart in years, so I don't know what Walmart bags look like. But yeah, you definitely sent me enough garbage bags for a year. I'm not going to need to go to Dollar General and pick up garbage bags for quite a while. Oh, man. Okay, I think I'm getting to something. Wow, whatever's in here is 1, 2, 3. Now I know what is in here because Tommy has sent me one of his creations before. Now I have 3 creations here on the table. So let's open one of these first. Now, for those of you who don't watch Reverend Tommy Two-Tone on YouTube, you should correct that immediately. He is a reverend that lives in Alabama. And before I show you, I'm gonna take them all out. He flies drones, rides segways, does some travel videos like places like Pensacola. He's done abandoned places before, and He also sometimes, when he's feeling froggy, him and I believe his friend Rick, I think, Tommy, your friend's name is Rick, right? I'm hoping. Sometimes they'll do like hot food eating contest. You know, they'll just taste hot foods. Kind of like hot sauce junkies, like Tim. But when peppers are in season, Tommy, over the years, has been perfecting the craft of creating the perfect hot sauce. And the last one he did about 2 years ago, he sent me, and I devoured it in 2 days at Thousand Trails. I just like omelets and eggs and peanut butter and jelly sandwich, anything you could put hot sauce on, I was doing it. So Tommy, after years and years and years of creating hot sauce, thinks that he has created the perfect sauces now. So I don't know if he's selling them. I don't know. You can contact Reverend Tommy. He is a member on my channel. He has a great YouTube channel himself, and he's a big part of the community. So first off, we have the One Love. Now I'm not going to open these yet. I'm getting ready to hop on an airplane. So when I come back, I'll take these out on the road, and all the truck stop food need all the help they can get. So I will be bringing some of this with me. So this one here is called One Love. I don't know if you guys can see that. Ingredients is organic pumpkin habanero chilies, organic orange habanero chilies, organic carrot, red, green, organic garlic, distilled white vinegar, water, organic ruby red tomatoes, and pink habaneros. Ooh, I don't know, man. That just sounds spicy. That just sounds good. I love your designs here too, Tommy. So here's another one. We got Be the Moon. Okay, things might have gotten messed up a little bit. I forgot to charge that camera up there, so I'm going to record the rest of this video on my cell phone. So things may be flipped. They may be backwards. As you can tell, the word lost looks backwards. So anyway, to continue on, I don't know where the camera died and where it didn't. Be the Moon. Now it is backwards, but this here is smoked Carolina Reapers. Yeah, that one's going to be hot. Ugh. That one's going to be hot, Tommy. Hallelujah Jalapeno. This is more my flavor right here. Out of all the peppers, I really enjoy jalapenos. So, yeah, ghost peppers, all that other stuff. It's going to be fun to eat. It's going to be fun to eat. But I think I can already tell, Tommy, this is the hot sauce for me. Not too hot. And if it's anything like the last one you sent last year, it was really flavorful. So I'm excited to try this one. These two I'm a little bit nervous about, but I will chow them down. Maybe with some steak or hamburgers or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Anyway, guys, that's about it. I'm going to go ahead and charge that camera because, like I said, I'm going to be getting on an airplane. I want to do that time-lapse airplane taking off the ground type, you know, the travel video stuff. So keep an eye out for everything that is coming your way from my channel. And I'll see you on the next one. And until then, I love you guys. From Cousin Eddie. She's going to get into trouble. What is she doing? Walking over my incredible... Oh, the box. That's what she's doing. Let's see here. Oh, that's right. Reverend. We got Reverend Tommy's seat of bags over there. She has to be nosy. She has to be nosy.